Good morning, everyone, especially to you, Mom Bless. I am Gayam Lupiar, and I'm your second speaker. So my first speech is advocacy. My title is Break the Chains of Corruption. So if I am the President of the Philippines, I will lead the Philippines with honesty and compassion. I will fight poverty by supporting farmers, workers, and small businesses, so everyone can learn a living. I will end corruption by making government clean and fair. 5. Literal language. 1. I will help farmers. 2. I will protect workers' rights. 3. I will support small businesses. And 4. I will fight against corruption. And 5. I will improve government. 5. Figurative language. 1. I will be the light in darkness. 2. I will not see the hope. 3. I will boil bridges of chains. 4. I will be the shield of the poor. 5. I will open doors to learning. Second speech is campaign. The title of my campaign is Clean Hands, Strong Nations. Corruption steals from the people. As a leader, I will clean the system, punish the guilty, and protect everyone for the Filipino. 5. Literal language. 1. I will remove corrupt officials. 2. I will protect honest workers. 3. I will ensure clan being. And 4. I will make spending transparent. And 5. I will support Filipino. 5. Figurative language. 1. I will shine a light on hidden lies. 2. I will cut the plague of corruption. 3. I will break the chains. I will break the chains of the greed. 4. I will be the broom that cleans government. And 5. I will guard the nation's ransom. That's all. Thank you.